It is January 5th, 2010. Weather Blender blog staying here with video. Still trying this. See what you think about it. We'll continue to post it. If you like it, send us some good comments. If you don't like it, just tell us, you know what, why bother? Either way, we'd like to hear from you. All right, let's show you what's going on out here. Talk about the cold air. Obviously, we know that that's still sticking around. Looking at the weather models, and basically this is a nice little behind-the-scenes look at what we're looking at so you can get a sense of what's going to happen next. This is looking at Wednesday morning. This is 7 in the morning. The blue line represents about 14 degrees Fahrenheit. The one that says actually -10 there, that's 14 degrees at 5,000 feet up above us. And cold air, obviously, with the moisture still coming in off the Great Lakes, so scattered snow showers still a possibility. But that pattern breaks down in the afternoon. Now we move ahead 24 hours. This is Thursday morning. You notice that that -10 line is shifted to the north, that little bubble of very cold air. We're a little bit closer to about -5, so again, we're getting closer to the freezing mark, still above, below freezing, up at about 5,000 feet. That big area that I've circled in black, that's snow. That's going to be rolling to the east, and it looks like a very good amount. If we could see our key over there on the left, it'd be, in precipitation terms, 0.10 to 0.25 inches of moisture. Well, that could easily be 1 to 2 inches of snow as it rolls by. But then we move ahead to Friday, and we see, looks like the heavier areas that I've circled in black kind of split and go around us. And I'll show you a model in just a second, but this is Friday, and you can see a big area of high pressure out to the west circled in blue. Then the airflow I've circled there in that kind of red arrow, that's still snaking in from the north. So that's a reinforcement of the cold air and the air flowing in off the Great Lakes. So you get a system from the west with a disturbance passing by with snow showers Thursday night into Friday morning, and then that just opens the door for the cold air and the Great Lakes flow to continue. Now, how much snow are we talking about? Well, one of our weather models says it will pick up a couple of inches. By the way, that's Saturday with very cold air still jamming in out of the north. One of the models called the NAM says we'll look at about 2 inches of snow, so it's not a lot. You can see in the highest amount, that's in the blue, and it's something like 1 inch or so right across I-64 and less in southern Ohio. Now, our other model called the GFS says up in the high country 3.8 inches, and it's close to about 2 inches stretched out across the Ohio River Valley and about 1 inch or less along the Ohio River to the west. So that gives you a sense of what we're looking at. That would be, again, Thursday moving into Friday, so we could wake up to about 2 inches of snow out there on the ground and much colder temperatures again rolling into the weekend. So that's a little glance at what's going on behind the scenes. Again, hit us up with an email or a comment. We'll keep posting some video blogs as we roll throughout the busy times, and we'll keep you up to date online on WOWKTV.com.